Hello everyone, I am Zishan on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. I welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platforms of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today, we will be discussing new and innovative techniques to make the learning process more successful, more interesting and fun-filled for our students. The chapter that I am going to take today is My Classroom of Class 3. It is from the UP board. The chapter number is 5. The subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea that I am going to take today is theme-based attendance. The innovation is that through the idea theme-based attendance, we transform the duration of attendance into a learning process because of oftentimes this duration is considered to be unproductive. The students, instead of saying present sir, present ma'am, yes sir, yes ma'am, say a certain word selected for the theme of the day. The time required to implement this idea is 20 minutes. Today we are going to be revising the concept of determiners, that is this and that. Before starting the attendance, the educator will write this and that on the board. The educator needs to ensure that the building and the explanation of the chapter My Classroom have already been done. The educator needs to do the following before implementing this idea and give the following instructions to the students. Today, we will do attendance to revise the concept of determiners, that is this and that. You will be called according to your roll number. Each student will stand and say aloud the name of any object from his or her surrounding and frame a sentence using this and that with that object. For example, roll number Ria, instead of saying yes sir or yes ma'am, will say a sentence using this or that. For example, this is a book. In the same way, roll number Priya. Priya will say a sentence using this or that. For example, that is a bag. Ask the students to speak loudly for everyone to hear. The same process will continue until all the students have responded. We can achieve the following learning outcomes through this ZIIEI innovative idea while revising the chapter My Classroom. Use meaningful short sentences in English orally or in writing. Use a variety of nouns in context as compared to the previous class. Record observations and informations on objects in different ways. Children can use the words that they have learned in small sentences. Children are able to read and write sentences using this and that is determiners. The following key points are to be noted. This activity can be continued until the last roll number. The students must pay attention to the words responded by the other students. The implementation time of this idea can vary depending on the strength of the students in the classroom. The duration of the implementation of the innovative ideas is based on the assumption that the pupil-teacher ratio, which is PTR, is constant at 30 students and 1 teacher. This activity ensures the active participation of the students inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. Core life skill of decision making and effective communication can be included. Values can be touched upon are, for example, perseverance, persisting in the course of action, politeness, using good manners, acting in socially acceptable ways, and respect, showing consideration towards others. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like our page on Facebook.